Welcome to JH Softech and JH Tech. I'm Vikramaditya here. Let's know what is SAP ABAP on HANA. As we all know, SAP stands for Systems, Applications and Products in Data Processing. ABAP stands for Advanced Business Application Programming Language. HANA stands for High Performance Analytical Tool. And ABAP on HANA is also referred in some cases as ABAP for HANA, refers to all developments which leverage the power of SAP HANA within SAP-based application, ABAP-based applications. In this context, the SAP HANA platform is the primary database underlying the ABAP platform, which we use here. This system deployment option is supported with the ABAP 7.4 onwards, the version of ABAP. So the introduction to SAP ABAP on HANA is in the video. The link of this is already mentioned in the description.